this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Todoist to your n8n workflow. It's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to open up your n8n workflow. Then you want to add a new node and then open up Todoist. Then you want to click on a node. You can click on any of the Todoist nodes, and then you'll see a credential to connect with. So what you want to do is click on Create New Credential. And you can do it two ways. You can do it using OAuth 2, and you can also do it using an API key. So if you use OAuth 2, all you have to do is click on Connect My Account, and it will connect. It'll show a pop-up to connect to your account. But for those that are not on the cloud version, the way you can do it is using an API key. And so the way you can do that is by going to your Todoist app, and then you want to go to your settings. So click on your name, click on settings, then click on where it says integrations, and then go to the developer tab. And then you want to copy this API token. So the way to do that is just click on copy API token, go back to your n8n workflow, paste it in, and then click on where it says save. And then if everything works correctly, you should see a green box here that says connection tested successfully. And so now if you go ahead and try to use it, so we'll just create a task here. And then for the project name, I'm going to click on inbox just as an example. And then for the content, I'm just going to enter in test. And then I'm going to click on where it says execute step. And if everything works correctly, we should see now that it outputted this task that we just created. And if we go back to Todoist, I go ahead and go to my inbox, we can now see that a new task has just been created. So now you have access to basically every Todoist action available here. And that is pretty much it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.